In this exercise, we have to prove that this definite integral satisfies certain inequalities. We have to show that it's less than 1 and bigger than 1/2 e to the minus 10. And then it fits the pattern of the theorem, which says that when we have a definite integral, we can estimate it to be less than or equal to something and bigger or equal to something else. Here the a and the b are 0 and 10. The m and the big M are going to be the minimum and maximum of the function on the interval from 0 to 10. We're going to find those out. Well, let's write down what we have. The function of x that we have is e to the minus x over x plus 10. We have a lower limit a, which is 0, an upper limit b, which is 10, and we also might as well compute b minus a already. We'll need that. 10 minus 0 is 10. What remains is to find the minimum and the maximum, in other words, the extrema. The way we find the extrema is first we look for derivative equal to 0, and it has to be in the interior between 0 and 10. And let's see, we have to differentiate a quotient. Better write the quotient rule quickly. U is e to the minus x, v is x plus 10. So I get u prime is minus e to the minus x times v, which is x plus 10, minus u, which is e to the minus x, times v prime, which is 1. All this over x plus 10 squared. And this has to equal 0.